Hi, this is Anita from Mondoro.com. Sometimes when we're looking for something to write about for our blog at Mondoro.com, we look at some questions that people are answering. I have to admit, sometimes I think there's some pretty stupid questions out there, but other times I think there's some questions that are interesting or questions that could be kind of interesting to answer. And one of them that I recently answered is, why do people like to have nice furniture? And of course, this kind of perked my interest a bit because we ourselves at Mondoro, we create, design, develop, and manufacture home furnishings and home decor. So I was kind of a little bit curious as to why people were asking this question about why do people like to have nice furniture. And here's some of the reasons that I came up with, and you can see whether there's maybe you have some other ones as to why people like to have nice furniture. And of course, there's many different reasons why somebody might want to have nice furniture in their house. But here's some of the main ones I came up with. Furniture can help improve your surroundings. It's been shown that, furniture can help you feel calm, it can help you feel serene or feel comfortable. Or if your furniture is messy or if you don't like it, maybe it can make you feel agitated or angry or upset. So the style and the color that you choose in your surroundings can help improve or hinder your comfortableness and your own surroundings. Furniture is known to help your mental health. Your everyday surroundings can have an impact on how we feel. Research has shown that rooms that have bright lights, both natural and artificial, can help improve depression and anxiety. I have to admit that I don't like dark rooms. And I remember sometimes I've gone in some houses where people have these, especially in the western United States, they might have this log cabin with all this dark wood. I remember once going into somebody's home and they had these, this very dark wood and orange curtains. I just remember my whole body just sort of cringed, like, oh, it's so dark in here. Oh, how do you live in here? And, I think sometimes when, houses are really dark like that, it can make you feel kind of, kind of bad, or maybe you don't know why you're feeling that way. But it's been shown by research that it can make you feel depressed according to your surroundings. Of course, people like to have furniture because furniture can show you have good taste. A home that's admired by others, helps your guests feel comfortable and gives the host satisfaction in knowing that others appreciate their home decor and their furniture. So, of course, another reason why people like to have nice furniture, nice surroundings, is they want to impress people. They want to impress their neighbors. They want to show their friends that they have good taste and that they're able to, have something lovely in their home. Another reason is that nice furniture makes you feel good. It just feels good to have something nice in your home. And not only does it, help with your mental health, but it just feels good to have nice furniture and their surroundings. Many people consider their homes to be kind of sanctuary. And I know, especially with what's happening with COVID, people having to work from home, people spending more time at home, many people wanted to turn their home into kind of a sanctuary because they want to have a place where they can get away from the world's care, where they want to have nice furniture, they want to have nice surroundings, they want to be able to feel good about their home and to have their home feel like this is their own personal sort of sanctuary, their own personal place where they can reprieve from the world and the cares of the world. An American architect made a quote that says, "A well designed home has to be very comfortable. I can't stand the aesthetics, the minimal thing. I can't live that way. My home has to be filled with stuff, mostly paintings, sculptures, my fish lamps, cardboard furniture, lots of books." I love that quote because it kind of shows that, not everyone's ideal of a sanctuary is the same. For some people, it might be that they have to have their books, they have to have their surroundings or their fish lamp or some of their other stuff around them. And for other people, it may be the minimalist look. So really, it's according to what makes you feel comfortable. The other reason is there's really no home without furniture. If there's no furniture in a home, there is no home. That really it is the furniture that makes the home complete and helps to make your home livable. So I really think that this is another important key thing as to why people want to have nice furniture, is because without the furniture there is really no home. Furniture also helps to define your look. The furniture and home defines your look. It helps you to, finding the right furniture helps you to define, what your style is, your look is. One of the things that I love about going into people's home is, just kind of, I can get a feel for them when I go into their home. You can kind of see what's important to them. You can, maybe they have some artifacts around. Maybe they've traveled somewhere. You can learn some things about them and their lives. I actually love homes like that. I love homes where the homes sort of tell a story about the people that are in the homes. And sometimes if they don't have that story, maybe that's the story in itself, is it tells the story. So I really love the fact that, your homes should really tell who you are. The other thing is that, nice furniture brings you comfort. We all love to have comfortable furniture. And I know I do, especially if we're going to lounge around and watch some TV or watch a movie or something. You don't want to be sitting in an uncomfortable chair. You want to have a comfortable piece of furniture to do it. And so, furniture, it's meant to be used. It's meant to be enjoyed. It's meant to be part of your life. It's meant to be something that is lived in. And that's, really why people have furniture, is to be able to use it. I'm sure that there's other reasons why do people like to have nice furniture. And, a lot of it could just be the status of it all, that they want to have their surroundings. They want to make sure their mental health is well. They want to make sure that, they can show others that they have good taste. There's many different reasons why people have nice furniture in their homes or apartments. But the most common thing, or the most common reason why I think people have nice furniture, is they want to feel good and they want to feel comfortable about their surroundings and feel comfortable about their life. So this is why I think people want to have nice furniture. If you have any suggestions as to reasons why you want to have nice furniture, why you think others might want to have nice furniture, we'd love to hear from you. Love to hear some of your thoughts. Love to hear some of your comments as to why. I think it's really comes back to, it's important for people to have a space somewhere that they love, that you wake up and you're happy, and that, every morning in your house you say, like, I love being here. I enjoy being here. And that a big part of that is the furniture you have and your decor. So when you have that, it makes you feel good. You feel happy. You feel good. You feel excited. You feel, it just makes you feel good about your furniture, your surroundings, and who you are. And it makes you feel good about your life. And I think that's really why a lot of people want to have nice furniture in their homes and their surroundings. Is just they want to feel good about it. They want to have, it helps them feel good about themselves and helps them feel good about their surroundings. This is Anita from Mondoro. We hope you've enjoyed our video, and we'd like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to have you be part of our community. We'd love to hear from you and love to hear your thoughts. We truly do appreciate you watching our video. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.